U.S. Army, their allies are FDLR and Burundi National Forces. That's why these are the DRC government allies. The mercenary, they are the people they hire them to pay them. They don't have the ideology. The ideology is money. If you give them money, they come, they kill people. These are the killer. But the ideology is something bad that the FDLR are bringing in the region. This genocide ideology, and this ideology is in Burundi. It's the ideology that generates every single decade. You have the youth that are coming through this ideology. This is different to mercenary. In mercenary, you give him money, he goes. He don't have no ideology. Ideology is money. But the ideology of killing is something bad. Ideology of hatred, not to see the another person live, is very bad. We need to put an end on it. And of course, the mercenary are also part of the DRC government allies, but they are not here in Goma anymore, perpetuating crimes like they did before. Our message to the Burundian government is simple. Get your troops out of Congo right now. There's no discussion. Take your troops back to your home where they belong. That's it.